Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So this week's theme was Time Machine Nail Art hosted by Nerdy Creations. So Kristen asked us to think about where would we like to go, were we able to use a time machine, and I felt that going back in time to the 30s, 40s when we used carriages and pocket watches and phones with cords. I mean, come on. Let's just go back to a simpler time when bicycles were just this ridiculous contraption that you could never imagine riding, and we used vinyls. So travel with me through this manicure. I'm using Missoura's beautiful polish called Under the Apple Tree at Noon. But it's a beautiful beige polish, and I thought it was fitting for this design. And then I'm going to be stamping some pink over these nails. Now this polish is speckled with gold flakies and it's just beautiful. I'm using plate XYZ14 and it is a beautiful plate that I bought on AliExpress for cheap, and I'm really happy I did because there are tons of motifs that I was able to use for this manicure. And it's also very well edged, so if you have a chance to buy this plate off of AliExpress, I say go ahead. I've used this quite a few times and I'm always happy with the results, notwithstanding stamping polish or anything. So here I am just putting on my images, and when I'm done I'm going to clean around my cuticles and add on some top coat. So this one was pretty simple, pretty quick. I hope you enjoyed this one, and please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay beautifully polished. Bye.